现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来講客家吧。
Hey, what's up, everyone? It's time for Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And this month, the phrase we're teaching you all month long is 好棒哦. That means great.
很不哟，
很不哟 Okay, or awesome, wonderful 都可以。你知道有时候这个生日礼物啊，亲手做的哦，比去买有时候更珍贵。
对啊，因为非常有意义。
对，而且是独一无二，对不对？
对。
Yeah. So it's kind of cool to receive a gift that is handmade by someone, and let's hear a conversation like that. 我们来听这样的对话。
也係送本嘅生日禮物。
哇，也係唔錢數做嘅係麼？很不哟。
係啊，全世界只有一個天天佬。
一個天天哦是什麼？
就一個而已哦，
而已哦，對對對對，
一個天天哦。
強調說這個是獨一無二的。
對。
Okay, that means this is the one and only right here. Okay, let's go back to the first sentence so you can learn all these phrases one by one. 第一句話呢，就是說這是送給你的生日禮物。This is your birthday present.
也係送本唔嘅
也係送本唔嘅
生日禮物。
生日禮物。This is your birthday present that I want to give to you. 要送給你。然後對方就回答：哇哦，這是你親手做的嗎？好棒哦！
哇哦，
哇哦，
也係唔錢數做嘅係麼？
也係唔錢數做嘅係麼？
很不哟，
很不哟，就好棒哦。親手叫做
情數，
情數。Okay, that means your own hands and you made it, right? 做的嗎？
做嘅係麼？
做嘅係麼 Okay, did you make this by yourself? That is wonderful. And 對方說，對啊，全世界只有一個而已哦。That's right. And so this is the one and only in the whole world.
爭有一個天天哦。
爭有一個天天哦。Okay, there you go. This one and only, right, in the whole wide world. Let's go ahead and break some of the vocabulary down again. 生日禮物 birthday present.
生日禮物。
生日禮物 and then 親手做的
親手做嘅
親手做嘅 that means you made it by your own hands. And finally, the whole world 全世界
全世界
全世界 Let's listen to the conversation again.
也係送本嘅生日禮物。
哇，也係唔親手做嘅係麼？很不哟。
係啊，全世界只有一個天天佬。
And this month, the phrase that you're learning over and over repeatedly is 好棒哦。
很不哟。
很不哟 which again is fantastic, it's wonderful, it's awesome. And thank you so much for listening to our Practical Hakka here on ICRT.
是冇太假。
say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.